Summer 2018 has been one for the record books.
Rodeo time. Gotta get her on down the road.
It's rodeo time here at Radiator Ranch, as it is all the time, everywhere. But it has especially been rodeo time this summer. I didn't enter a lot. Here's why. Number one, I forgot my bull rope. They need to add a little more money. My hand, whenever I'm going there, they got me doubled up at that one, at the two, and I know that means you'd be wondering, well, why didn't you go to just one of them? But if I can't go to both of them, I don't want to go to either one of them. The humidity, the bull rope, and if you were a real bull rider, you would know what I mean. My vest right now isn't fitting the way I want it to. The call-ins, I missed the call-in for one. I'm waiting on new shaps to come in. And when they come in, oh son, you ain't gonna be able to keep me out of them entry books. But anyway, we ended up having a great summer. We went to Brownwood, to kick off the summer, the beginning of June. Woo! Hello? Yeah, I know what time it is. I'm down Brisby, you don't have to tell me. I'm on my way. First weekend of June, summer rodeos are upon us. 103 degrees, the middle of Texas, Brownwood. It is rodeo time. Oh, son, are you ready? G?
Not no more.
Yeah, we already talked to him about it. You hit him for some reason.
Yeah, old son, like, hey, kind of like some guys like slap themselves in the face before they ride. Bam, you interning for DB? You about to ride? Bam. We also got to kick off JBDB Bucking Bulls, and we made it official. We've now got the caps and the shirts, and you know, it was good to finally make that partnership official. We were supposed to do DB, They messed up at Rodeo Time Embroidery. They messed up, and so we just rolled with it. And since I'm a giver, I let his name go first. Those are just some of those major events where we're gonna have our big time bucking bulls.
Whoa, hey, easy. It's gonna be JBDB Bucking Bulls.
Why would we? It's gonna be DB, JB.
No, JBDB.
Hey, no, I'm blinking. It's my.
It's JBDB Bucking Bulls.
Unridden this year, partially because he hadn't been bucked yet. All right, old son. He's juicy.
She left my heart
Must have been the trigger man. Hey, JB, put him in that back pin, okay?
Whoever's coolest goes first. JB, DB.
You know what? They don't even... How many brands have 4 letters anyway? It needs to be just DB.
Or it could just be JB.
My name's way more recognizable. They're not even gonna know who that is.
That's true.
Ponoka, Alberta. Into June. What a great time we had there. Randy and I went up and helped them with the rodeo. Hey, Canada!
Brisby, 45, 90 points on his entry here in the car with the horns on the hood. Hail, son, you don't have horns on your car. It's Ponoka, old son. You ain't no cowboy.
There was a few times when I got to make it back here to Radiator Ranch to do a little ranching, which is uncharacteristic of a summer run for DB. Usually I'm gone and I ain't back till September. But I got to come back to West Camp a few times and do some ranching. West Camp ranching. Living out here at West Camp, you know, it's a different lifestyle. It's one that a lot of people don't know about. Matter of fact, if you like being around people, this job ain't for you. West Camp ain't your place to be, old son. I'll come out here and I tend my cows, tend my fence. There's always something to do. There's always something needs to be done at West Camp. Boss man offered me this job. I said, yeah, I'll take it. Dusk till dawn, I'm ranching. Me and these cows, me and Boone here, we've seen some things. We've seen some things that normal man ought not see. I mean, before this, I was just day working, riding colts. Calm down, Boone. I'm gonna ride the snot out of it. If I'd have known it was gonna be this kind of life, you know, I don't know if I probably still would have taken it. But regardless, you know, I just get up every morning. First thing I do is I go out and I call up the cows and use the cake feeder and the siren to bring them in close. That way I don't have to ride so far. But I call them up and then I get a good head count on them. It just takes me a little while. Go make sure there's not any strays missing, maverick cattle. None of the neighbors' cattle got in. I check fence, fix fence, go check water gaps. You know, sometimes I'm way out from camp and duty calls, you know, nature calls, and you just gotta drop trowel and make it happen right there, you know, and it's touch and go. That's what it is. It's touch and go. Cheyenne Frontier Days this year was insane in the membrane, you guys. I mean, hail, rain, snow. There was no snow, but might as well have been.
It's the dad, all right.
Sikeston, Missouri is a blasty blast. The committee, the bull riders, the bullfighters, like, those are my people in Sikeston. I heard you got Rudy kicked.
I don't think I got it kicked. I would say stomped.
To finish off the summer, we had a fellow YouTuber show up. Got to put him on his first bull. Mr. Jared Outlaw, you did fantastic. I hope you caught that video. Fantastic first ride. Fantastic. Oh man, I'm freaking stoked. I wish we had more to run.
Dude, I'm putting these jeans in a freaking in a box.
Shadow box.
Yeah. My pants ripped.
You earned it right there.
Am I wearing red underwears too?
Look at old son out there.
Am I wearing red underwears? Can you see?
I don't know, but that's your beast right there.
Look at him. You don't like me, man.
Cody Webster. gonna fight a bull. Tell us about the Winnebago bullfights.
It's the first of its kind. It's a Winnebago bullfight. The only catch is there's no entry fees, no added money, no payout, and you have to bring your own bull.
And you gotta bring your own bull. You brought a pretty hot little mix, like you didn't bring a duck off for yourself.
Well, I mean, if it's in Winnebago,
Hey.
gotta be 90.
It's the Winnebago Buckers, not the Winnebago Dinks. Yeah,
Brought a gonker.
keep gonker. For
The gonker for the gong show.
gonker for the
It's about as pure as it gets. No added money, no entry fees, no payout. Stepping around the Red Mexican here at the Winnebago Rodeo Ranch. Bill Brisby come in, fought one with me.
Thank you for watching us all summer long. It's been a great run, and it continues. Because here at Winnebago, we are bucking stock around the clock, old son. Don't forget to like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Just so long as you stay with me, old son, because you're family now. You're citizens of Winnebago, whether you like it or not.